Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 5-port gigabit switch that you can buy from banggood.com. For under 30 bucks, it's hard to say no. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering and asking, what is a gigabit switch? Let's say basically you're running out of ports on your router or your firewall or your modem that your ISP gives you. If you connect, for example, any of these ports, like let's say for example port 1 to your firewall, you then have an additional 1, 2, 3, 4, additional 4 ports to plug in more devices. And this is also certified for gigabit. So if you have like internal streaming, internal Plex, copying files locally over your network. Let's say you have video files you're streaming over the internet to your Android TV box, your Android phone. With gigabit connection, it's probably the best way to future-proof yourself. No need, if this said for example only 100, it's probably not that fast. To be honest, these days, if nothing is gigabit, I wouldn't buy it. Having a gigabit network in your home means a faster network connection internally. And for this one is a no-name brand version, but it's under 30 bucks and it still performs amazing. So I'm going to plug it in, set it up, and show you how it works. Okay guys, here I am under my desk. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the actual switch. You see this little single power light, meaning it is currently on. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the Ethernet cable from the back of my computer, because I have one cable coming out to my room with an Ethernet cable. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this port right here. And now we wait. Oh, that's port 5. Let's plug it into port 1. Doesn't really matter what port you connect it to, but I prefer plug it into the first port available. Let's give it a couple seconds. Now see, port 1 is lit. Now basically I have 4 available ports on my switch. I can go ahead and start plugging in my computer, my Android TV box, my phone, my whatever. So this is kind of a good setup, meaning for example, let's say you want to run a cable to like let's say upstairs and you have multiple devices. You technically only need to run one cable, plug it into the switch, and then you'll be able to have these ports available for other devices like your computer, your tablet, your whatever. I normally don't do these types of videos, but this was a requested video from the sponsor of this episode, which is banggood.com, to showcase their 5-port gigabit switch for under $30. And I highly recommend, if you guys need a switch and you have a lot of money, this works perfectly. Now what I'm going to do now is go ahead and plug it into my computer and show you the gigabit speeds. Back on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and plug in port 2. Now that port 2 is lit up, let's go on the computer and show you that it is actually online. Okay guys, now we're actually on the computer. Let's go ahead and double click on our network connection, and as you can see it says a gigabit connection. So that means that if it wasn't a gigabit switch, you'd be getting like 100 megabits, or the mostly you can either get 100 or gigabit. But most computers, most old switches these days, if you haven't updated in the past couple of years, they're probably 100 megabit per second connection. But with a gigabit connection, you are going to get much better results. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.